wanted to do this video to talk about the common mistake with eyeliner. So what I want to show is basically give you an idea of how to make the most of your eyeliner, because eyeliner is one of these things which you can use as a fun look, or simply just to enhance your eyes or to make them look bigger. If it's not done correctly, it can have an adverse effect and it can actually make your eyes look smaller. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to demonstrate two ways of applying it, so the correct way and the common mistake. So for this I'm going to go in with a liquid eyeliner, and the eye that I'm going to do the ineffective way is going to be this side, okay? And then on this eye I'm going to show you how much of a difference it can make if you apply it correctly, okay? The most common thing I see is that people start applying it from the inner corner and then they end exactly where the lashes end, okay? So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to apply it, and often it's a thick line and it ends there. So that's generally what happens. Let me show you what I guess the better technique is using the same product. Generally I start from the outside and then I stop in the middle and then I turn and I start this way, and always thinner as you get to the inner corners of the eyes, and then gently, almost using like dots, filling in the gap between the eyelashes. And then instead of following my eye shape, which I've done here, right, I'm going to stop right there and start again with the tip, but this time I'm going to start where my lower lashes end, and I'm going to draw a diagonal line upwards. It's kind of following my eyelashes, okay? So my eyelashes point that way, so that's what I'm doing. I'm following that, okay, like that. And then I'm going to connect that with the eyeliner that I've applied, okay? So I'm going with a straight line rather than go down and then up. I'm drawing a straight line. Now if you see what's happening here is I did not follow the eye shape, because at the end of the day it is called makeup, not follow-up. I love the saying. So that's what we're doing. So we draw this line upwards and then we draw a kind of straight line to join it, rather than going downwards with the shape of the eye. Not only does it make it look smaller, but it also gives it a drippier look, whereas this one gives it a more upwards, lifted up look. The other common mistake is people often do the same thing with the lower lashes, because they do want to achieve that bigger eye look, right? So a really thick line. So instead what you can do is, as you are using the gel liner, if you want to, or pencil, whatever it is you're using, so if you're using in the waterline, press it down towards the lashes, okay? So you're basically literally filling in the gap between the lashes and your skin, right? And then instead of using gel liner, you can use a eyeshadow, black eyeshadow, to soften it out. But have a look what the difference is going to be like, okay? So this is just black eyeshadow. So I'm gently pressing it in, and again pressing it in between the eyelashes, so I'm closing the gap between the eyelashes and the skin, okay? The other way of making your eyes look bigger is actually really nice to just use a really intense, very well pigmented black eyeshadow, and you can use that over the top of the eyeliner if you prefer. So I'm doing the same now, okay? And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually smudge it out to make it look softer. So that's probably a better day look rather than a night look, right? So I'm going over the eyeliner with black eyeshadow, very, very gently, and that softens it out instantly. If your eyelid is a little bit more hooded, then I would refrain from applying any eyeliner in the inner corner. However, what you can do is just apply it on the waterline, so literally just here, just so it doesn't look disconnected. Summary is, do not just follow your eye shape, definitely start thinner in the inner corner and go wider on the outside. And do not stop the eyeliner where your eyelashes stop, rather extend it up and out, always up and out, starting from where your lower lashes end and going upwards in upwards movement. Try not to apply anything that's too prominent on the underneath the lower lashes. I hope you enjoyed that and you hope you found that useful. Okay, till next time, bye.